Here is Fengjizhou Island in southern China's Hainan province. We're here to explore how coral reefs are being protected not only by divers but also by AI robots.
珊瑚啊，我们通常把它叫做是热带雨林。实际上的话呢，有很多的这个珊瑚聚集以后啊，它的鱼也很多啊，所以生物多样性非常丰富。我们现在的话正在推动啊，我们这个海南的珊瑚礁修复和保护这个过程，越来越多的人参与以后啊，效果可能会越来越好。
These robots are great at working in complex and sensitive environments like deep water, strong currents, in places where human activity might cause damage or safety concerns. Robots can patrol regularly without disturbing the ecosystem. They can also stay underwater longer and collect data more frequently.
Thanks to years of conservation, this place has become a thriving marine tourism destination.
这片海岛在开发之前是一座无居民的海岛，海域珊瑚覆盖率仅有5%。2002年，我司接管海岛后，通过人工植树造林、驱离非法捕捞、人工植育珊瑚、科学岸线修复等多种措施，海岛及附近周边海域生态逐渐优化。目前，丰济州岛的绿化率已达78.16%，前海区域的珊瑚覆盖率已达35%以上。